Hello, Pike Road. I'm Gordon Stone, and what an honor, blessing, and privilege it is to be your mayor. It is spring in Pike Road, at least it feels like it outside, and what a great thing to be able to share so many wonderful activities with each other as we progress through this beautiful time in our town. March 22nd and 23rd just symbolizes what spring is about in Pike Road. It is part of our celebration of Easter that so many of us enjoy. And the Pysanky Egg Dyeing Workshop is going on that weekend, March 22nd, 23rd. It is a unique artistic design of eggs that can make this an even more special time of the year for you. So if you and your family are into this artistic world and you want to try a new place to practice your skills, come and be a part of the Pysanky Egg Dyeing Workshop. It's a 3-hour class on the 22nd and 23rd, and it's a great opportunity. You have to be 12 or older to participate. Then on March 21st, we also have something that's really, really cool and becoming a very popular part of our quarterly activities in Pike Road, and that is our Business Association meeting. And this month, or this quarter, we're going to talk about communication and networking, and it's going to be business over biscuits. We're going to start at 8 a.m. and go until 11 a.m. That is on March 21st. So make sure that you join us for that. And then if you want to be a part of something else that day, on the 21st, it is our beginning beekeeping workshop from 4 to 6 in collaboration with the Alabama Cooperative Extension Service office in Pike Road. Our friends at Auburn and friends at Alabama A&M are so good to work with us on all these great projects. So make sure that you are signing up ahead of time if you want to be a part of Business Over Biscuits, if you want to be a part of the beginning beekeeping. Make sure you sign up. Even the egg dyeing workshop, make sure you go to pikeroad.us, click on Enhance, go down through there and check the box to make sure you are registered for these activities. Now, March 25th, jumping back, I want to make sure you know that we have our next Mondays with the Mayor, and we're going to be at Goodwin Animal Hospital. What a wonderful opportunity to get to know more people in your town and be a part of sharing the Pike Road story. Tell people about our Mondays with the Mayor. Call in, ask your questions, text your questions, even email them to info@pikeroad.us. We'll get them and we'll answer them. But make sure other people know about it and listen in, because it is a great way once a month to make sure you're aware of all the fun things, all the really cool things, and all the important things that are happening in the town of Pike Road. Then in April, be prepared for our spring cleanup. Got a lot of wonderful spots in Pike Road that every spring get that special touch because community members jump in and help out. Maybe an intersection, maybe right in front of your neighborhood, maybe a stretch along the road that you want to adopt. We have all your supplies at Town Hall. We have all of your all the things you need to register so that we can get credit with PALS, the statewide People Against Litter campaign, and we can make sure that Pike Road is as beautiful as it can possibly be. And 2 other quick reminders in March. Don't forget we have our yard sale coming up, and March 18th is the beginning of the booth sale for the yard sale that the Pike Road Lions Club does every year. Make sure you sign up for that. You can come to Town Hall and do that. And then another reminder about April 13th, it is the date of the yard sale. So those quick reminders: 22nd, 23rd, the Egg Dyeing Workshop. 21st is our Business Association meeting. 21st is our beekeeping, beginning beekeeping program. The 25th is Mondays with the Mayor. April is spring cleanup, and April 13th is the yard sale. So make sure you're a part of all those activities. Pike Road, it is a special time to also celebrate all of our young people. Spring break goes on, all kinds of fun family-related activities begin to get in gear. We have lots of youth sports going on, lots of end-of-year programming at school. Support your local community by going and supporting these young people. We're so proud of them and all they do to make Pike Road great. We'll pray for you, Pike Road. We ask that you pray for each other.